What's happening, YouTube fam? It's your boy Drizzle. Drizzle, and I'm about to get with another video. Come on now, y'all already know. Go on, hit that like button for me. Share, comment, and subscribe. If you've been before, welcome back. And if you're new, welcome to the channel, baby. Alright, y'all already know. Child, we're going to say these prayers and we're going to get it, and let's go. Christ, Heavenly Father, I want to thank you for this food I'm about to receive. May it be nourished to my mind, body, and soul. In Christ Jesus' name, yes, I do pray. Amen, y'all. Oh, y'all, I've been craving some soup lately. Ooh. I'm so ready for this. Let's see. Oh my God. Ooh. That is so good. Oh my gosh. Let me try one of these balls, girl. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. That's delicious, man. Wow. I don't even know what to say. Oh yeah, y'all, today I want to do a little different. I got some questions that some people ask me, and I'm going to answer them today. I don't know. I wrote them down or whatever, and hopefully I'll be able to answer some of them, child, because some of y'all can be nosy. Oh, y'all so nosy. Girl, these balls is off the chain, girl. Wow. I've been craving the soup, though. I know it's hot as hell outside, but like I said, I've been craving the soup. It is heating my ass up, too, man. It's fucking delicious, man. Wow. I'm sorry, y'all. Shit, I'm fucking hungry. But anyway, y'all. Alright, what's the first question? Are you single or seeing anyone? So, yes, I am single. No, I'm not seeing anyone. I've never had a relationship before. Don't ask me why, child. It just is what it is. I'm not saying I haven't been looking for one, because who doesn't want a relationship? Somebody to come home to. I would love to have a boyfriend, but child, I don't know. I guess, should y'all tell me hell? I mean, me honestly, I think for somebody that's never had a relationship before. So I got a lot of friends though. A lot of friends. This thing got no man. But I don't know. This soup is heating my ass up. But anyways, but yeah, so I'm just waiting on God. That's all, because they say there's somebody out there for everybody. And I really truly believe that. And I'm just waiting on that, child. So with that question being answered, next one. How long have I been single? 33 years, child. I just answered that question. But why is it on that twice? Anyway. What's the next one? How long have I been cooking? Oh, child. Ooh, I don't know. It's been a long time. I mean, I went to culinary art school back in 2016 and graduated. No, I graduated 2016. My bad. No, wait. What the hell that shit say up there? Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. I'm gonna check it. Alright, y'all. My bad, y'all. I had to go check it real quick because my certificate is sitting right up there. But yeah, I graduated in 2016. I started in 2015, culinary art school that is, and graduated in 2016. I loved it. Excuse me. I really did. I loved it. That's why I went the whole damn time. Cause a lot of people start going to college and don't even finish that shit. But whatever. That's their own choice. But yeah, so I did go to college for that. But before that, I was cooking before that. My friends know that. My friends, people that know me from way back when, child, knew that I was cooking way before I went to culinary art school. So I've always kind of had an interest in cooking, but I never really had that extra. You know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't know how to make no damn gravy. But as soon as I went to college and shit, I'm like, wow, really is that damn simple? So, yes, child. I did go to culinary art school. And to answer that question, child, how long I've been cooking? Since I was 18, 19. Cause hell, I moved out of my mom's house when I was 18. Got my own place, etc., etc. Oh shit. This soup filling as hell. Alright, so what's the next question? How long have I had my dog? Child, my dog. I've had him for 2 years, going on 3. I got in the Nook in 2018. Yeah, this year's been 2. Next year it'll be 3 years. So yeah. That answers that question. So now y'all answer a question for me. Why the hell aren't y'all ass subscribing? I need some more subscribers, y'all. Come on now, boost it up. Boost it up, girl. I'm telling you right now, besides this damn cooking, everything else is gonna get better and better. I promise you that. I thank y'all so much for the love and support that I've been cause it's really been quite something. Oh yeah, y'all got a job interview today. Oh, I'm so excited about that. Y'all wish me luck on that. Cause y'all, I need to stay there. I miss working. I mean, all this meat and shit in my teeth. But anyway, that shit was good, y'all. Oh my God, that was delicious. I guarantee, if y'all try this recipe, y'all will not be disappointed, girl. All my recipes, y'all might be trying my recipes. I don't be posting them and editing them for nothing. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh shit. Okay. I hope y'all enjoyed today's recipe, y'all, and today's video. And I hope y'all are being safe out there. I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for the love and support. And let's continue to be safe out there, y'all. And let's continue to let this channel grow. And continue to stay prayed up and blessed, y'all. So with that being said, like I always say, in the meantime, y'all behave. Stay prayed up.